How to get Roblox Premium. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, what you need to do is launch the Roblox application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. As you're logged into your account, simply tap on the more option at the bottom right corner of the screen. Here, you'll be able to see the option of Premium at the top right of the screen. So select on Premium, and as a tap on Premium, you'll be able to see that different premium packages that is provided to you, which you can select whichever is more convenient for you. So let's wait for a few seconds over here, and here you can see we can get premium on different bases. So let's wait. Here you can see we can get the premium over here, so you can select whichever package is more attractive, more convenient for you. So you can simply tap on subscribe now, and you'll be able to get the premium with your data and credentials about your account to pay. So that's how you can get Roblox Premium. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.